If you're a truck driver, you know the importance of keeping your truck in good condition. A broken truck can mean disaster for a driver on the road. That's why knowing how to do truck repairs in an emergency is important. In this video, we will discuss the essential steps that you need to take to repair your truck when it breaks down. We'll also provide some helpful tips on how to avoid truck repairs in the first place. Why does it pay to know the basics of truck repair? Knowing truck repair basics can save you a lot of time and money. The more familiar you are with the workings of your vehicle, the easier it is to quickly identify and fix any problems. Knowing the basics of truck repair also gives you peace of mind, knowing you can handle minor repairs instead of paying for expensive professional services. What are the essential steps for truck repair? When it comes to truck repair, it's essential to have a plan of action. The first step is to locate the source of the problem. Once you determine what's wrong, you should be able to diagnose and fix the issue yourself. If not, then it may be necessary to consult a professional. After locating the source of the problem, it's important to determine what parts and tools you need for the repair. You should also take some time to research what steps are required for the repair and any safety precautions you should take while doing it. Once you have all the necessary information, you can begin the repair process. Finally, once your truck is repaired, it's essential to do a test drive and ensure everything functions correctly. Doing this will help ensure that the repair was successful and that your truck is back up and running quickly. How to troubleshoot your truck. Troubleshooting and diagnosing a truck's problem can be tricky, but there are some things you can do to make it easier. Here are some tips on how to diagnose and troubleshoot truck problems. Check the battery. The battery is the basis of all electrical operations in a truck, so if it's not working correctly, you won't be able to drive your vehicle at all. If the battery isn't holding a charge or supplying enough power, it needs to be replaced. Inspect all electrical components. Pay special attention to the spark plugs and distributor caps, as these are two of the leading electrical components that can cause your truck to run improperly or not at all. If any electrical components have gone wrong, they need to be replaced. Check the fuel system. If your truck is running rough or not at all, it could be due to a problem with the fuel system. Check the fuel filter, injectors, and pump for any signs of wear or damage. Check the cooling system. It's important to inspect all the components of your truck's cooling system, such as the radiator, hoses, and water pump. If any of these parts are damaged or not working correctly, it could impact your truck's performance. Inspect the tires and wheels. Make sure you check the tires for any signs of wear or damage and inspect the wheels for any corrosion or other issues that could be causing a problem. Test drive your truck. If all else fails, take your truck out for a test drive to see. Perform a visual inspection of your truck. Look for any signs of damage, such as fluid leaks, loose hoses or wires, and any other abnormalities that could be causing a problem. If it runs correctly, pay attention to how your truck runs and use your senses to determine if there's something wrong with it. These are just some of the tips on how to diagnose and troubleshoot truck problems. If you're still having trouble finding the source of your situation, it's best to consult a professional mechanic who can help diagnose any underlying issues. To learn about cargo carriers, check out our previous video. Toolkits you need in your garage. Wrenches. Wrenches are essential tools for a garage. They come in various sizes, from tiny to large, and are used to loosen and tighten nuts, bolts, and other fasteners. Screwdrivers. Screwdrivers are one of the essential tools that a garage should have. They come in different shapes and sizes, from Phillips head to flathead, depending on the type of screw you need to drive into a surface. Hammer. A hammer is also essential for any garage. It can be used for everything from pounding nails into wood to loosening stuck bolts or nuts. Pliers. Pliers are great for gripping and cutting items in the garage. They can also be used for bending wire, pulling nails, and other uses. Socket set. A socket set is a collection of sockets in various sizes and shapes used to turn nuts and bolts. Level. You'll need a level if you're making home improvement or repair work. It's used to make sure that your installation is level and even. Flashlight. A flashlight is important for working in dark spaces or finding something that has fallen into hard-to-reach places. Trailer service kit. You'll need a service kit if you own a trailer or camper. It includes items like wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and other tools specifically designed for working on trailers. Gardening tools. If you have a garden in your yard, having the right gardening tools will make it easier to keep it in shape. Shovels, rakes, hoes, and pruners are just a few tools you'll need. Organizers. Finally, having some organizer will make your garage more organized and efficient. These tools can help make truck repair more accessible and more efficient. Speaking of efficiency, one factor affecting drivers on the road is keeping their trucks in good condition and logging hours safely. With electronic logs and truck tracking software, drivers can easily keep track of their truck condition, time, and more. Here's an efficient solution for truckers if you're looking for a convenient way to manage your trucks and shipments. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive is the perfect solution for ensuring your delivery goes off without a hitch. With their easy-to-use app, drivers can track hours and get an inspection report on their device. No more wasted time or stressed-out customers. Check out Motive today. To learn about freight rates, check out our previous video. When to take your truck in for professional repairs. Heavy-duty trucks are often expensive, so keeping them running in top condition is necessary. Regular maintenance is essential to any truck's life cycle, but some problems require professional attention. Here are a few signs that mean you should take your vehicle to a mechanic. Excessive smoke. If your engine produces excessive smoke, it could indicate a severe issue. It's important to take your truck in for inspection immediately. Strange noises. Something is likely wrong if you hear strange noises from your engine or exhaust system. A mechanic can pinpoint the source of the noise and fix the problem. Poor performance. If your truck is not performing as it should, it could indicate that something needs to be repaired or replaced. It's important to take your truck to a mechanic to diagnose the issue and fix it. Warning lights. If you see any warning lights on your dashboard, you must immediately take your truck to the mechanic. They can diagnose and resolve the issue before any major damage is done. To learn about the benefits of trucking services, check out our previous video. What to do when your truck breaks down on the side of the road. Road service is the best option if your truck breaks down on the side of the road. If you are a member of a roadside assistance club, such as AAA or CAA, you should call them for help. They can provide towing services and repair shops to get your vehicle back up and running. It's essential to have your car serviced regularly and ensure you maintain regular maintenance. If you do this, it can help to avoid costly repairs in the future. You should also have a spare tire, jack, and other supplies for emergencies. If your truck does break down, stay calm and call for assistance. Only attempt to fix the problem yourself if you are experienced with automobile repair. Finally, remain in contact with your roadside assistance service provider and keep all records of services provided so that you can be reimbursed or have a copy for future reference. If you take all these precautions, you will be prepared if your truck breaks down on the side of the road. Final thoughts. When it comes to truck repair, it is important to ensure regular maintenance and inspections are conducted to keep your truck running at its peak performance. Not only does this help prevent any major breakdowns or costly repairs down the road, but it also ensures your truck stays safe for you and other drivers. To make truck repair easier, it is also beneficial to invest in the right truck parts for your vehicle. With quality truck parts, you can be sure your truck will remain reliable and safe for years to come. So use these tips as a starting point for truck repair. Because, after all, what's the fun of owning a truck if it's not running smoothly? So take the time to invest in truck repair and parts, and your truck will thank you for it. Thank you for checking out this truck repair video. We hope that you have learned something valuable from it, and we wish you all the best in keeping your truck running its best. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.